Hello, friends, and welcome to the $1 Million Message. This is Tiffany Stout from the Austin, Texas area, and I am so excited to be with you today. Happy March 1st. I am so excited. It's a brand new month. I love the first of the month, and I am just celebrating each and every one of you for all of the work you did last month, all the effort you put out, all the results that did and didn't show up. Because, sometimes I know we put effort out, and maybe the results didn't quite show up yet, but I know they're coming. You know they're coming, and I am so excited to see what you're going to do this new month, because by now you've probably already heard the news. Did you hear? I'm so excited. We have a March starter kit promotion. Yes, I am so pumped because our starter kit's on sale. It is the month of luck. I know we celebrate St. Patrick's Day this month, and it is your lucky month, girlfriend. It is, because we've got our e-start on sale for $20 and our regular starter kit on sale for $90. I mean, when I started my business over 20 years ago, my starter kit was $100 back then. I mean, Mary Kay is not seeing a recession or inflation or whatever is going on. And so I am so excited that your new team members get to take advantage of this incredible offer this month. So my question for you is, number one, are you focused on team building? Is that something that you're all about, that you want to do, that is a goal of yours? Is it something that you're focusing on? And is it something you're prioritizing? Because it is just a piece of the puzzle of your business. And it's there if you want to take advantage of it. You don't have to if you don't want to, but it is there for you. And if you choose to team build, man, you are giving someone else an option. I always tell my unit that if we're not sharing, we're kind of being selfish, because that's like just keeping this incredible business and opportunity to ourselves instead of sharing it with others and letting them know what you love and what they could have in their life and what they could be a part of too. So that's my first question is, are you focused on team building? Is it something that you are intentionally prioritizing? And then number two, my question for you is, what will your team building goal this month be? What will it be? Are you going to go for 10? Are you going to go for 8? Get into DIQ if you're at 0 right now? Are you going to get into red with 3? What is your goal? Because it's not going to just miraculously happen on March 31st if you don't actually set a goal right now for what you want to achieve, what your results are going to be at the end of these next 31 days. So those are my two questions for you. Are you focused on team building? And what is your team building goal going to be this month? I love that we get to share this opportunity with other people. I love it. Like I said, we don't have to keep it for ourselves. We get to share it with other people. I'm so grateful that someone shared the Mary Kay opportunity with my mom. And then I'm so grateful that my mom shared the Mary Kay opportunity with me. It would be like somebody having the best, most amazing, killer dream job in the world and being like, oh, but yeah, no, we're not hiring. No, only I get to do this. But instead we get to say, oh my gosh, I have the career of a lifetime, and guess what? I get to share it with you. You get to be a part of it if you want to say yes. How could you resist? And we get to share this dream opportunity, this dream job, this dream career with every single person we interact with. And what a blessing for her that we get to give our job away every single day. Now, it's up to her if she says yes or no, if she's willing to try, if she's willing to give it a shot and take the risk and take a chance and learn new things. It's up to her, but our job is to share. Did you know that the number one reason why someone says yes to Mary Kay, do you know what it is? The number one reason is because someone shared with her. I know it's not what you thought it was going to be, right? You're thinking, oh, it was the money or the girlfriends or the tax write-offs or the prizes. I mean, there's a million other reasons, but she's never going to say yes if you don't ask her. And guess what? If you don't ask her, somebody else might. Wow. That's just a scary thought, right? Because if someone else asks her and she says yes to her, you're going to be kicking yourself, especially right now, if you don't make that list and call up everyone you know, everyone who you've seen, everyone you facialed, everyone on your customer list, everyone who is on the fence that you've shared with in the past, and say, hey, girlfriend, I'm so excited. Our starter kit is on sale. You can get started right now. You can join my team at a discounted price today. And I am so excited about the potential to work with you. So what do you say? Can we get you on board? Let's give it a shot. Why not just try it out? So I am really challenging you to prioritize team building this month and to set a goal for how many team members you want to have. And as I was doing a puzzle with my kids last night, we put together this 300-piece little, I guess, like Disney puzzle with like lots of different pictures and everything on it. It was so fun, we're finding all the corner pieces and then finding all the, the colors that go together and the shapes and all. Sometimes we would find a piece and it wasn't fitting in right, but we're like, no, I know it goes right here. Like I could see the eyeballs that are aligned with what's on the box, right? And we're like looking at it going, it goes in here somewhere. I don't know how to do it. And we had to turn the shape and turn it until it finally fit in there. And sometimes that's how it is. Sometimes we know that the puzzle pieces are all there, that they're all coming together, that your team is being formed right now, that God already has it pre-picked, pre-planned for you. And I read a quote that said, why do we trust the puzzle maker and whoever it is, Mattel, Hasbro, I don't know, all the puzzle makers out there, why do we trust them that all the pieces are going to be in the box when we open it? But sometimes we don't trust that God has all the pieces already selected for our life and that they are all there for a reason. Sometimes they might have to turn into different shapes and, the person that you thought was going to say yes, she might not be that puzzle piece. So you got to keep asking. You got to ask the next one and the next one because she might be the perfect piece of the puzzle of your team this month. So you just got to keep asking because the pieces are all there. They're all out there somewhere. It's up to us to find them, to turn them, to ask the right questions, to take the right next step, to do the team building layering, to do all the things to make sure that the pieces fit right for her as well. I truly believe that God has those pieces there planned for you. I trust Him more than I would trust any puzzle maker. And just know that He is the master of it all. And this can be your team building month. So take advantage of this incredible discounted price this month. I'm so excited to see where you land on March 31st as all your pieces fit together. Make it a great day. I love you all and pray for you daily. God bless you. Bye-bye.